First of all, I want, as you all are just started in the field, so I will gonna give you a direct link to download these data set. Do check out the description of the video and you can download the data set directly from there. I will gonna download one data set of Indian restaurant and show it to you. Okay, these all are the data set, highly updated and highly new data set. If you want to do the project in 2023 to 2026, these are the data set is highly recommended. And I have got all these links from the Kaggle website. Kaggle is a website from where you can download the data set, like multiple data sets for free, and of different industries as well, like healthcare, automobile, agriculture, or any other industry. Okay, so these are a highly recommended data sets for you all. And once you click on the first link, which is what? The Indian restaurant, as soon as you click on this particular link, automatically this particular website will gonna open, which is related to the Kaggle. Okay, this is a website which is related to a Kaggle in here. Let me go to the full screen. Here it is. Yeah, the Kaggle website. As soon as you click on the link, automatically the Kaggle website will open and you will see the data related to the whole restaurants which is in India. Just do one thing, scroll down a bit and you will see multiple columns which is available in this data set as well. Okay, which is the restaurant name, we have the location, the locality and city, and a lot more data set. If you want to download this data set in your respective system in CSV or Excel format, it is highly recommended to sign up into Power BI. Okay, it's a very secure platform. You don't need to worry about it. So make sure that you sign in into Kaggle. Okay, not Power BI as of now. You just need to sign in into Kaggle. And once you sign in into Kaggle, all the data set you can able to download in your respective system. So what you need to do in here is, I'll just scroll up a bit. Okay, once you scroll up, you will see that we have restaurants.csv. In this particular data, we have one file which is in a CSV format, and you just need to click on this particular download icon. Okay, once you click on download icon, automatically the data will get downloaded in your system. Fine, and just click on the data. Once you click on a data, first of all, it will open in Excel because it is in the CSV format. Make sure, guys, if you are building any project in data analytics in Power BI, make sure you first of all understand a complete end-to-end data. How many columns, how many rows, is there any transformation, is there any cleaning, filtration needed on a data? Because data visualization is a secondary step. The first step is to cleaning a data and loading the data. Fine. So as you know, the data is completely loaded in here. We have one sheet, which is the restaurants. We have column, which is name, location, locality, city, cuisine, rating, votes, and the cost of the particular cuisine. And every data is related to the Indian restaurants in here, as you can see. Okay. If I scroll down a bit and let's see how many rows we have in this particular data. So we have approximately, let me just check out more. Yeah, so we have a lot of data in here because as you all know, Indian restaurants, like India is full of restaurants in here. So we have a lot of data in here. And if we talk about the number of rows we have in here, more than 6,000. 6,594 rows we have in this particular data. As of now, data looks very cleaned, very tidy, and it is a quite structured data. So here is a new topic comes into picture. That what is a two type of data set you need to work with as a data analyst. So there are two type of data, which is structured data and unstructured data. As it's our third session of a series, so we're going to work with first of all structured data in here. And this is a structured data of Indian restaurant, and this is a data which is in a format of CSV. And now this particular Excel data, we need to load it into Power BI to create visuals and dashboards. So what we need to do in here is open Power BI. Okay, once you open Power BI, now you see that we have an Excel icon at the top. Fine. Now click on a get data. The data is in a format of CSV, right? So we need to click on get data in here, and we have option of text or CSV. If the data is proper in Excel format, then you need to use the option which is Excel workbook. If the data is in CSV format, then in that case you need to You need to use the option which is CSV. The data can be in multiple more options as well, or in a multiple more databases. For an example, it can be in JSN, folder, PDF, SQL Server, IBM, and so on. Even the MySQL databases as well. So we are going to start with the CSV data. So click on text/CSV and click on connect. Okay, once you click on text/CSV, click on connect, and after that you will see all the data set which is presented in your system. Now in today's series, okay, in the entire series of the Power BI learning, we're gonna work with this particular restaurants data, and I'm gonna cover end-to-end project related to the same. So if you click on a restaurants data in here, guys, first of all, then click on open. Once you click on open, the whole data will gonna import from CSV to Power BI. In here, you will see a complete data. It's a complete preview of the data, as you can see. We have in the preview, you will see the name, location, locality, city, cuisine. And if you just, scroll a bit, you will see multiple more columns as well, which is related to a rating, votes, and the cost. The whole data comes from CSV in the Power BI. Okay. Once you do that, you will see that we have multiple more options like file origin, delimiter, data type detection based on first 200 rows. If you want, you can just based on entire data set, do not detect data type. So I'll gonna click on based on entire data set. Okay. Preview is evaluating. In here you will see a complete preview. If you can't able to see a complete preview, that means you have did some mistake in here. Okay, once you see a complete preview of the data set, you need to click on load. Okay, transform data will gonna use in our upcoming videos of this particular series. As of now, click on load. Once you click on load, automatically the complete data will be loaded in Power BI. Fine. It will take, 5 to 6 or maybe 10 seconds or maybe 1 minute as well. It's totally depend on your system configuration. Fine. Now the data is loading as of now. The data is fully, completely loaded. And once the data is successfully loaded, it is visible in the data section. Okay. Like we have multiple filter section. The data is available in the data section in here. And in the next video, I'm going to tell you where the data is visible and how you can convert the tabular data into meaningful reports and dashboards. I hope you liked today's session, and if you want entire dataset link, if you want to follow me on Instagram, then do check out the description of the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit on a bell icon. See you again in the next session. Bye bye. Take care. Have fun.